everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can see in the description, I am doing another Causebox opening, and this time it's for the fall 2020 Causebox. So this is the second Causebox I've gotten. I got my summer one a few weeks ago because I joined pretty late, so I'm excited to see what's inside. First of all, I don't know what it is that's causing this, but it smells like lavender in here right now, and I'm all for it. Okay, so just like the last Causebox, I got a little book that goes through the stuff that's inside of here. Comes with a little recipe card, has some stories about the products that have been made, so I'll go through that later. Oh, cute. Got a little postcard, so this is kind of the same design as what's on the outside on the box. So the artist is Cynthia Kittler, so really cute. Alright, so I think found what is making the box smell so good. So this is De-Stress Muscle Gel. So this is one of the products I got to choose between, and I don't know if it, oh yeah, this is what caused it. So I decided to choose the De-Stress Muscle Gel because I'm still doing like sports and workouts, and often I find my muscles are pretty sore after, so I thought it was a good idea to have that. So this is from Aromatherapy Associates. So the big item this Causebox to choose between was between a towel, 2 different colors of towel sets, or 2 different colors of a bathrobe. So I just decided to go with the bathrobe because I actually have a lot of towels. And so this is my bathrobe. Ooh. So it looks really nice. I've actually been looking for a bathrobe for a while to get a newer one, so this is great timing. So I really chose this color because I really like this color. The other option was more of a charcoal, but I really like this green, and I was unsure of it when I ordered it, but in person it actually looks much nicer. So I'll be excited to wear that, especially now that it is getting a little cooler here in Toronto. It'll be nice to kind of wrap myself up on chilly mornings or just chilly days in general, because I love to be snug. Next we've got, the reusable cotton rounds. Oh, I have been seeing these like all over like Instagram and Facebook. So I don't use cotton pads very often. I usually just use it when I'm taking nail polish off. But a lot of times I either find I don't have any, or like I use a lot. So I decided to choose the reusable cotton rounds. So I'll try them out for makeup. I'll try them for nail polish and see if they work. But I'm really excited that they're at least reusable, and it comes with, it doesn't say how many it comes with, but it says actually it's machine and hand washable, dryer friendly, or air dry. So you could actually throw these in a washing machine if you really want, but I'll probably just hand wash them. Next we have a face serum brightening, revitalizing, smoothing, dark spot reducing, complexion toning, and tissue repairing. It's pretty good. I feel like I got another serum in the last box too, so I'm getting like, that's 2 boxes in a row. There's face products, so I'll have to see if there's much difference between them. So that's what it looks like. Oh, give that a try. But yeah, it's kind of good, I guess, because with being inside so much and wearing a mask, my face has been going through a lot. I'm sure all of yours has as well. So yeah, I'll have to go through all these face products and see what I should try to help reliven my skin a little bit. Next, this was another item that I got to choose between. So it was between this and a tea flavor bottle thing, but I already have one of those, so I didn't really need another one. So this is a Milky Way Lantern, and I'm actually really excited to see this. It's going to be very cute. That's all I have to. Oh, I actually like that it's like this paper seems very gentle compared to other tissue paper. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm not going to open it all the way, but you can kind of get an idea. So it's a lantern. There's the handle. Put the candle inside. That's really cute. I'm going to keep it wrapped up because I don't really have a space. I don't really have a spot for it now. And since it is getting colder, I'll just have to keep it in the box for now. Okay, this last item I'm excited for. I can't remember if this is the surprise item. I feel like it is because I don't remember it. But it is a bamboo serving set. So it comes with some tongs and a spatula kind of thing. And a cutting and a serving board. This is so nice. Really do like this bamboo serving set. Again, I think this is something I'm just going to keep in wrapping for now. Just because I'm still living at my parents' house. I don't really have a spot to use it right now. So I'll keep this for when I have my own space. That is all for the Fall 2020 Causebox opening. I hope you enjoyed, and if you are interested in Causebox, I'll leave a link for their website down below. And I will see you all next time. Bye!